Happy Friday, Kingston. My name is Grant Baker, and I'm our proud principal.
And I am Sarah Allard, our newest assistant principal.
We wanted to invite you to Monday's virtual open house.
And our purpose is to invite you into our classroom so you can see what it looks and feels like as we're working with your students.
We hope to see you virtually on Monday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Good evening, Kingston families. My name is Kathleen Ricketts, and I, alongside of 37 other board members, am honored to serve in your Kingston PTA this year. This pandemic has certainly made us all pivot on our plans, but we are still steadfast in our mission to serve every student at Kingston. While in-person programming can't happen right now, we are still able to purchase classroom supplies and technology for our teachers, fund online resources for all of our students, support safe programming like our Reflections contest, and fill our libraries with new, exciting literature, and so much more. We would love for you to join us in this mission, and here are a few ways. First, check in with your teachers and encourage them. These incredible professionals are teaching our kids what it looks like to be brave and resilient and flexible. If you're willing to serve as a room parent or able to provide items off of their wish lists for their classroom, please do so where you can. Second, we'd love for you to join the PTA on a local and national level for $6, and if possible, give to our Cougar Fund. This fund was set up in lieu of other fundraising efforts throughout the year. $35 per family donation can fund the entire PTA. Finally, you still have time to sign up for our 38th annual All-American Run. Help us continue this tradition. T-shirts and bibs will be sent out at the end of October, and the final day to register is October 24th. So thank you for supporting us this year. Please follow us on Facebook and connect with us on our website, kingstonpta.org. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
You're gonna have to leave, okay? Stand ready. I like pizza. Lots and lots of pizza. Give me more pizza. I like We hope you enjoy Monday's virtual open house.
And the purpose of our virtual house is to invite you into our classrooms. You can have a sneak peek of what our students have been working.
Thank you.
Happy Monday, Kingston. My name is Grant Baker, and I am our proud principal.
And I am Sarah Allard, your newest assistant.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Kingston. My name is Grant Baker, and I am our proud assistant principal.